Two types of solar heating are active and passive. Active solar heating uses mechanical devices while passive does not.
We had to use the passive kind of solar heating.
Solar heating relates to our project because we had to use the sun's power and use the passive kind of solar heating to heat the half-gallon of water that we were given. In order to do well on this project, we had to create a solar-powered water heater and heat a half-gallon of water. My partner and I decided to use a 2-liter Coke bottle to ensure the water would have enough space to expand in case it froze, and we painted it black to attract heat.
Using the materials we could find, we used a 5-gallon bucket, cut it in half, lined it with tin foil, and put it on an angle. We did so because the bottle would do best tilted towards the sun. We put the project on a tilt using a bookend and the top of a container for support. The tin foil would help with reflecting the heat into the bottle.
Our hypothesis is that our project will work and be 20 to 30 degrees above the control. The aluminum foil will help reflect sunlight into the bottle, which is painted black, which will help trap the heat. We set it on a tilt so it will be angled towards the sun.
To assemble the project, we first cut a bucket in half. We then went outside and spray painted the soda bottle black, leaving it clear at the top. Next, we super glued the bucket to a bookend to support it. The bottle was placed inside of the bucket and rested in the middle. We glued the project to the top of the container.
Hey, the rails are caught now, and
The control was 6.6 degrees Celsius or 44 degrees Fahrenheit.
Our temperature got up to 27 degrees Celsius or 80.6 degrees Fahrenheit.
That put us in 5th place in our class.
In our hypothesis, we believed that our project would beat the control by 20 to 30 degrees. Our project, 27 degrees Celsius, actually worked as we expected, and beat the control 6.6 degrees Celsius by about 20 degrees.
Although we met our goal in our hypothesis, projects could have been made better.
We could have allowed sunlight in through glass, but trapped the heat in some way.
Used the surface area and also had a conductor in the water.
We could have had insulation to trap the heat. If we did all this, it would have helped the temperature rise and would have been able to maintain it better.
We did 3.
Out of the 7, we tilted our project at a 45-degree angle.
We used tin foil for a reflector.
And we painted the Coke bottle black.
a philosophy burning